I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and I'm here in my new house setting up a new solar grid. I've shown before how to build a off-grid solar system using panels from Renogy that you can set up. Here I've got three 50-watt panels, and I've also got a 100-watt panel. You can set these up off-grid and create your own solar microgrid. I've used this to power a cryptocurrency mining computer. I've used it for emergency power during power outages. But for those who followed along in the past, I had built one of these before, but I didn't have a good clear place with sunlight where I could put these because I was renting, and I had to put them in my side yard. Now I've got a nice, as you can see, unobstructed area to place these. So I should be able to get the full 150 watts out of these. 100 watts here, 250 watt total system. Also got a really nice new solar battery over here from Renogy, and I'm going to put that in instead of my old car battery that I used in the past, and we'll connect these up. I'm going to do some experiments with running a cryptocurrency mining computer on solar, and also, as before, using this to do my own off-grid power system for power outages. Obviously, with everything going on in the world recently, that's definitely a beneficial thing to have. I've got my Adventurer charge controller. All this is going to get wired up, and then we'll test this out, see what kind of power it generates. Just thrilled to be in a location where I have unobstructed sun, full sun, nothing blocking it, and be able to continue to experiment with this. You can follow along and see what we do.